Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make oatmeal cookies with chocolate chips. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined. This ensures even distribution of leavening and flavor throughout your delicious cookies. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Finish by mixing in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma. Now it's time to bring everything together. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture into the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough, as this can make your cookies tough. Finally, gently fold in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats and 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade oatmeal chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.